One of the most spectacular already? Mather Campground, Trailer Village RV Campground. I gotta start that over. Trailer Village RV Campground. That sounds silly. Wow. Grand Canyon Conservancies. Oh wow, that's a big word. My personal favorite campsites are the 8 beach oh my god, I can't say it. Beachfront campsites on the grass. I sound like a moron. Oh man. Bright Angel Creek Trail water? Oh my god. Wow. Restrictions exist on both Havasupai and Navajo Nation reservations. Currently, neither the South Bass Currently, neither the South Trailhead nor the rim camps in the pasture wash can be accessed by vehicle. Is it South Bass Trailhead? That can't be right. Bright Angel Trail water has been turned on at 1.5 Mile Rest House. What? These tents